People don't really understand it until you actually see it coming at you in a wall of flame.
There is nobody here, there is nobody to stop it, and it just goes on for mile after mile.
Firefighters across the West have been battling shifting winds as they try to gain control.
Dozens of people are dead in 3 states.
An avalanche of flame driven by high winds swept through these houses at terrifying speed. Nothing was left behind.
In California, wildfires have now burned an area larger than the size of Connecticut.
A week-long state of emergency declared this morning in parts of Australia.
The devastating wildfires in Northern California could get even worse today. Why? Because those gusty winds are now threatening to spread the flames.
Which is a trend line. Hottest August in history. Hottest recorded temperature on planet Earth, at least since 1931 in Death Valley just a number of weeks ago. We're seeing hots getting much hotter, the dries getting much drier.
I am utterly infatuated with you. The gentle slopes and violent dives of your flame tempt, captivate me in every aspect. Isn't the sun made of you? Fire. Pitiful if you ask me. Whoever set you ablaze must also put you out.